Okay, hello everyone. I'm Bia from Bangkok in Thailand, and today I'm gonna present my final project for CS50 courseware. It's a 24 game solver. Yeah, for those who don't know what is the 24 game, it is the arithmetic game which you will be provided four numbers and you have to calculate them to get the result of 24 using the arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Yes. Um, for for the objective of my program is to provide the solution for the difficult question, or for someone who want to check if this four number can be calculated to 24 or not. Okay, so let's go to my program. Okay, my program will ask for four numbers you would like to check. For example, I would like to check number 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So I will input 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. After you input all the numbers, you can click solve. And yes, my program will return all the possible solutions of that four number that can be calculated to 24. For example, the first solution is you have to you have to calculate 1 plus 2, which will be 3, and 3 plus 3 will be 6, and 6 multiplied by 4 will be 24, for example. And I will list all the solutions possible for this problem. Yes. If you want to check other problems, you can go back by click back at the end of the solution list, or you can click the 24 game solver band at the top left of the web page. Click and then you can go back and input ball number. Yes, and this is my final project, 24 game solver. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.